Hey Sophy-Yas, Madam Sophie here again to do another video. This time I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing some products that I bought from the Crayon Case website. If you guys know, the Crayon Case company is a black owned company. I used a lip color from them, and I also used the New Rule eyeshadow palette. You guys know very well I was raving about that eyeshadow palette for some time on my channel. One of my subscribers and dear friends, Miss Woods, she was the one who purchased the palette for me. So impressed with the way the palette performed that I said I needed to get me some more Crayon Case Cosmetics products. Share a few of the new things that I purchased from the Crayon Case Cosmetics website. I picked up 2 boxes of the lashes. I picked up the pink box and I picked up the purple box. So this is what the lashes look like from the purple box. As you can see, I kind of started using them already. So this is their 3D artificial mink lashes, and these lashes are chemically treated. It is cruelty free, hypoallergenic, and it is high-end quality guarantee. So this is what it says in the back. Alright, and you get 3 pairs of lashes. The pair of the lashes I have wearing right now is actually the missing pair from this set. This is what the pink box looks like. This is the pink box. I have not used any of the lashes from the pink box, but this is what the lashes look like from the pink box. Again, a very voluminous set. Very cute. I love the way these lashes look. Now, for the pink box, you do get 3 different styles. It's very similar to the purple box. The lashes are not similar, but the concept is very similar, where you get 3 pairs of lashes that look completely different from each other. The composition notebook, I really love the concept behind the packaging. It's very cute. It's super cute. And this is what it looks like after removing the sleeve. When I open it, this is what it looks like. Now in this palette, it looks like you could get colors that you could use for bronzing as well as highlighting and contouring. So these 2 colors at the top, it looks like colors that you could use for bronzing, hair bronzing. This looks like a bronze, well, not a bronzing, a highlighting color. These 2 look like highlighting colors. You could probably use this color for bronzing and contouring, or any of these others. This looks like a pretty cute transition color, or color to set your under eye area. So this palette has, this contour palette has 6 colors, and these colors can be used for different purposes. They look very versatile in my opinion. This brush set, this is the Crayon Case ink pens eyeshadow brush set. This set comes with 4 brushes. You have a fluffy brush, an angle brush, a flat concealer brush, and a crease blending brush. These are the 4 brushes you get in this collection, and these are super cute. I will definitely be using them, even though I know I outdid myself on these brushes. But I mean, I have a lot of brushes already. But so bought 2 brush cleaners. I bought this brush cleaner. It was also on sale. I think I bought it for like $3. But this is what it looks like on the inside. This is the Crayon Case brush cleaner. And I use these all the time whenever I come on to do tutorials for you guys. So I got 2 of them. And in addition to that, I bought a pair of these. This is a brow brush. You have a spoolie on one side, and then on the other side you have an angle brush for brow shaping. So I bought one of these. And I bought 4 of their chalk dust powders. This is how they look. It came with this plastic over. So I'm going to open it up so I can share with you guys the shades. So this is the chalk dust setting powder in the color N. So this is what the color N looks like. Pretty soon I'm going to be doing a tutorial using these chalk dust powders. So this is what the color N looks like. This is letter O right here. Okay. It looks more like an olive yellow color. Okay, it looks like an olive yellow color. And this is super cute. I love the packaging. Open it like this, okay? Just wanted to let you guys know it is not a screw top like the Maybelline Fit Me face powder. You just pull it up. Letter A. But it kind of have a rosy tone to it. You could kind of use this color on like darker tones, but for highlighting. Showing you the outside. And even though the shade is named white, that does not necessarily mean that it is more on the yellow side. This color is more on the darker side, I would say. And I really like this color. This color looks more like something that I would put on. So that color could, in my opinion, I think this color would be able to work on darker tones as well, medium to darker tones. In addition to that, I also picked up their highlighter powders. I bought the highlighter powders in 3 colors. Lola, yeah. And Glola, this is what Anglola looks like. It's a pretty bronze color. I really love this color. It has a really bronze look to it. I really love it. And as you can see, this is in the color Anglola. In addition to that, I also bought it in the color Golden. So this is the Golden highlighter powder color. Let me show you guys though. Hopefully my camera, okay. And then this is what the color looks like. It's more of a gold color. This color kind of reminds me of the Trophy Wife highlighter palette. Sorry, not the highlighter palette. The Trophy Wife highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It's probably not as glittery as it, but it reminds me, the shade of gold reminds me of Trophy Wife. And last but not least, I also bought it in the color Rose Glow Res. Rose Glow Res. This is Rose Glow Res. And this is what it looks like. It is a pretty rose gold. I really love this color. I could really see myself using this color and the Anglola color. And every now and then probably the golden color. So this is my this is my new finds from the Crayon Case cosmetic brand. I really love the packaging. The packaging is very unique. I love the playful packaging of it. Definitely reminds me of going to the store to get school supplies, but this time it's not school supplies, it's makeup supplies. So this is my new finds from the Crayon Case Cosmetics brand. So stay tuned, look out for some tutorials with me using these items. If you've ever used any of the products that I made mention of in this video, please let me know in the comment section how you feel about them. How did it work for you? Are you liking it? Are you not really liking it? If you have any suggestions on how I should use any of the items I bought from them, please let me know, so maybe you could give me a little tip in advance. So that is going to be it for today, sweethearts. I do hope that you like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe if you're new to the Madame Sophie channel. And if you're new to the Madame Sophie channel, don't forget to hit that bell that is right next to that subscribe button, and place something in the comment section to let me know that you're a new Sabi, so that I can welcome you with open arms. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much to my regular viewers. Thank you for stopping by on this channel again. I really value your continuous support on my channel. Continue with the positive vibes. Keep doing you. Don't forget to be fabulous. Don't forget to be amazing. Don't forget to keep loving yourself. And don't forget to be Sophie. Bye, honeys.